Welcome. Today, I'll guide you on how to search for a video in a Gmail space using your PC. This new feature makes it simple to find the content you need. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. Next, locate the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you're a part of. Now find the space where you think the video might be. Click on it to enter. Once you're inside the space, look at the top for the search icon, which resembles a magnifying glass. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will pop up. Here, you can type in keywords related to the video you're searching for, such as the title or a brief description. After entering your search terms, press Enter or click the search button. The results will show any relevant videos shared within that space, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully searched for a video in a Gmail space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.